Hello, in this video I will show you how to create your own unique template and explain how to use setup mode using the universal generator one. As example, let's create a template for Fortnite. First we need to call the settings with the name so we can organize our templates. Let it be Fortnite Generator version 1. Now let's start filling the fields for our game. In the description you can enter the description that fits your generator the best. Here I wrote Fortnite Generator is a site where you can get unlimited V-Bucks. Next let's fill the game name. Our game is Fortnite, so let's write Fortnite here. Then the generator header, let's change the word resource to V-Bucks. Same goes for keywords. You can fill it with the keywords that match your template. Additionally, if you want to have background music on the template, you can add a MP3 link to the file. Now the important moment. The platforms. To set up the platforms you need to enter setup mode. Same goes for resources, you also need to enter setup mode for it. Let's make it later, and for now continue filling the fields. The user field, it can be any field you want, like player, email, user ID, or literally anything else. For Fortnite I will keep username. S2 is an important tag, to better visualize the information from where the leads are coming. Here let's make it explicit as Fortnite version 1. Title is responsible for the name on the tab. Let's make something appealing like Fortnite V-Bucks Generator. Limited offer. Now the assets. We need at least one background image. I have already prepared 3 images, 2 background and 1 resource image. We're going to need resource image, in this case some image of V-Bucks. We need it later, so I will leave it in new tab until then. For now let's select the backgrounds. Colors. The most important color is primary. You can pick any color that fits your taste. Let's see what we have so far. Press save and preview. Open in new tab, to see the template in full screen. Let's play a bit with it. Okay, we can see that there is a list of platforms, that probably may not totally fit our game. Here the resources, we need to change those fields and image to V-Bucks. Let's open the setup mode. First of all activate it in settings, then click save and preview. I will open it in full screen so it's easier. Great, select the platforms that fit the game. For Fortnite let's pick Android, iOS, macOS, Windows, PlayStation and Steam. Copy the generated string, go back to the settings, find the platforms field, delete the old string and paste the one that you just generated in setup mode. Now let's set up the resources. In resource name we input V-Bucks. As image we need the PNG image that we have opened earlier. Let's copy the link for it, and paste it here. And now the values. Use any values that you want and as many as you need. Literally any amount, even 999999. Copy the generated string, go back to setting. In settings find the resources field, delete the old string and paste here the string that you generated right now. We have finished. Now, don't forget to turn off the setup mode and then let's see the result. Click on save and preview and open it in new tab. Here we go, the whole list of our platforms appear here. Also if we go further we will see that the resources have the image of our V-Bucks, and the amounts that we picked. Even the 99999. Let's go back to our settings page and generate our link. On the bottom click on continue, so your link will be generated automatically. Time to test this link, copy it and open in new tab. That's it, everything is working perfectly. Let's go back to the template and load the settings, to add some changes. Here you will be able to see all your old settings, that's why it's important to save the settings with explicit names. Let's update the colors, pick the new color that you like. Then go to bottom, click on save and preview and you will see that your color will update. You can select any color you like. Basically that's everything you need to know to create totally personalized template in less than 5 minutes.